And for our first recipe, we're going to make garlic bread. Really easy and really quick. And here we'll start by chopping a lot of parsley. Use as much as you like and you can chop it roughly. 20 milliliters of olive oil. 5 cloves of garlic. And let's brown them. Once it gets to this point, just flip it. And that's perfect. A spoonful of butter. Now just mash everything really well. Add the parsley. A little bit of shichimi togarashi pepper. You can find it in Asian stores, but you can also use red pepper flakes. 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, and mix it. Just a little bit of salt. Mix it again. The bread of your choice. Cover it. All of our bread. Mozzarella to taste. You can be generous with it. A little bit of parsley on top. And now put it in the oven at 180 degrees until it melts. And here it is after about 10 minutes ready. Our super easy garlic bread is ready. And for our second recipe, our Korean corn dog. And for this recipe, I'll use 4 sheets of rice paper and just cut it into small pieces. Here, everything is cut. Put everything here in the food processor. You can use a blender too. And it will look more or less like this. And now for the batter. 2 eggs. 200 ml of milk. Give it a light mix here. 250 grams of flour. Mix it again. It will look like this. A thick batter. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix again. Skewer the sausage. Add the rice paper to the batter. Mix. Put all the batter into a cup. A pot full of oil, and preferably use a tall pot. Now just turn on the heat. Let it heat up. And once the oil is hot, dip the sausage in the batter. And let the excess drip off, just a little bit. And now just fry it. And to fry it, just put it in here. Hold it for a bit until the batter fries a little. Then you can let go and hold it, let it fry a little, and you can let go. And now just let it brown. Once it gets to this point, we can take it out, ketchup and mayonnaise. And the third recipe, our snack with enoki mushrooms. And here we'll use enoki mushrooms for this recipe. Separate into small portions. Bacon, sliced bacon, and roll it up. And here's the last one. Up to this point, it's pretty easy. And now put everything in the frying pan. On medium heat, just keep turning it until it's nicely golden. Tonkatsu sauce. Sesame seeds. Nothing better than having it with a beer.